guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Reinventing the Meal. We're making like a restaurant appetizer classic today. We're making bang bang shrimp. If you've never had it, you're totally missing out. It's really awesome. And today we're making it at home, which means we're making it better. For your ingredients, you're obviously going to need your shrimp. I bought mine fresh and not peeled yet, just because I wanted to be extra and go above and beyond. You can buy yours already peeled, just make sure they are not cooked, because if you are cooking already cooked shrimp, you are just gonna have these rubber pellets when you eat them, and it's just not good. It's not tasty. You're gonna need some cornstarch, flour, a few eggs, and for your bang bang sauce, you are going to need some mayo, sriracha, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce. For garnish, green onions, obviously the way to go. And then obviously to fry these things, you're gonna need some canola oil or vegetable oil. So to make your bang bang sauce, it's literally 1 part everything. So it's like 1 part mayo with 1 part sriracha and then 1 part sweet chili sauce, but obviously you can alter that, you know, according to how spicy or sweet or creamy you want it. It's totally up to you. I add a little bit of soy sauce just so we had some salty element in there. If you need to peel your shrimp like I did, it's super easy. Just make sure you are also cleaning the poop chute or the vein of the shrimp. You don't want to eat that. Anyway, once you spend about 30 minutes peeling all of your shrimp, you're gonna put 3 eggs in a bowl and you're going to whisk them up, and you're gonna put all of your shrimp in there and make sure they're all evenly coated with the egg wash. From there, you're gonna grab another bowl and you are going to add 1 cup of flour and equal parts cornstarch, and also season it with some salt and pepper, and you are gonna whisk that together so there are no clumps. Again, once your shrimp is all evenly coated in the egg wash, you're gonna take all of that shrimp and you are going to dump it in the bowl with our flour and cornstarch mixture, and you're gonna toss those up, make sure they're all evenly coated. Once you have done that, pour some canola oil in a deep pan and turn that to medium heat. If you've been following along and retaining any of the information I've taught you before about frying things, you literally just flick a little water in it, and if it starts to bubble, it means it's ready to fry and you're good to go. Shrimp cook pretty quickly, so you only need them in there for about like 4 to 5 minutes. And don't worry if the outer coating isn't a super golden brown. When you're cooking with cornstarch, like cornstarch doesn't get that super golden brown color, but it doesn't mean it's not done. You're still gonna have crispy shrimp, it's okay. Once you have all of your shrimp fried and set aside onto a paper towel to absorb any excess grease, you're gonna get your bowl ready, and you're just gonna put some of that fresh fried shrimp in there and pour in a little bit of your bang bang sauce and toss it up so it's all evenly coated in that wonderful sauce. Once it's tossed up, you just put it onto a plate and garnish with some fresh cut green onions. I personally put a little sesame seeds on there just because I thought it would look nice. And then yeah, once you've done that and you've got your pictures for Instagram and XYZ, you're ready to eat. Oh,
oh shit.
All right.
Should I do it at the same time?
Yeah, do it at the same time.
Okay, hold it.
Okay.
Cheese. Dang!
Mm-hmm. No, bang.
Ah! What's that? Crispy, spicy, sweet, delicious.
Yeah, it is crispy, spicy, sweet, delicious. So yeah, these are like crispy, spicy, sweet, delicious. You got the spiciness from the sriracha, obviously, but it's sweet from that Thai chili sauce. It's creamy from the mayo, obviously. They're crunchy, crispy, because we fried them. This is so good.
I'm about to eat this all.
I was gonna save some for other people, but. And just like that, that is your bang bang shrimp. That's it. That's the video. I'll see you in the next one.